All right, we're back. If you missed the last video, we were down in Chicago picking up some goodies, linked up with our buddy J Mac from Killshot Racing. So when we were down there, we picked up a new hood for the car from VFN down in Chicago there. And as you've seen on the way back, we picked up an enclosed trailer. Kind of shut that video down early because it was ended up being a 26-hour day, and yeah, I was beat and just tired and angry at the end of that one. But here today we're headed over to Myers Auto Body. Our boy Rick Myers over there, he's going to help out with the hood, get the hood painted up for us and all fitted on the car. For the time being, I don't have much space at home there to keep the hood, so Rick's letting me throw it over there until we can get some things situated on the car, and then hopefully get her moved over there to Rick's to get the hood fitted and all painted up and ready to go. But I also dropped a bit of a teaser there too at the end of the last video, which you've probably seen on Facebook as well if you're on my Facebook. Picked up some new shoes for the car, some Keizer Aluminum wheels from our boy Houston Peyton from KO TV Motorsports. So we got to get some tires mounted up because there's some things we need to get done on the car, which I can't get done until the tires are mounted. So hopefully after we get this hood dropped off in the next couple days, we'll be hitting up our boy Tyler to get these tires installed and balanced up, at least the street tires anyways. The track tires aren't a big panic right now, but I do need to get a set of those wheels set up and ready to go, so we can move on to the next step and hopefully get the car. I think we're gonna bring it over to Tyler's and get some stuff done on it over there, which I'll keep you posted along the way here. But yeah, just headed over to Myers Auto right now. Our boy Rick's gonna let us keep the hood over there for a bit, so appreciate that. But yeah, we'll catch you when we get over to Rick's. All right, well, we're gonna get some video going here. All right, here we are back with Ricky.
Oh man,
what's going on, Ricky?
Sorry.
Look at her. What's going on here? Some ups. We gotta get some updates here on the Fairmount.
Trying to make a couple changes for it for the next season.
She's missing her heart.
It is missing it. It's hard. It actually broke.
The last time it was out, wasn't it when we did that last test and tune there, where you did the PB?
And we started pulling weight out of it.
Yeah.
And it started going faster and faster. So then after that, me and Josh took both cars out.
Yeah.
We went with the track.
Oh yeah, you went to TMP. It was the next weekend.
We PB'd at TMP.
Yeah.
And it was awesome. So I thought, okay, well, pull the motor out, we'll get it all freshened up. And so I dropped it off at the machine shop, and he called me. He's like, "We got a problem."
Oh shit.
And I was like, oh boy. So it has a crack in the number 2 main from the main right to the cam tunnel. So that block is done.
Oh shit. Oh, it did its job though.
It did its job. Man, I don't know.
Oh,
I'd love to. I'm sure there's people that have gone faster and stuff like that. I'm not sure what everybody else has done, but for me, 866 at 157.
Oh,
that was getting it for me.
Hell yeah.
When we got to the track that day, we unloaded it, and I made that hit while watching my son make a hit in my other car. And when I got the time slip, we went back to the pits, and I was like, man, I never run an 870 before, because we had run 880s the weekend before and then run 860s off the trailer. So it was pretty cool, but I was so excited that I couldn't concentrate to make another pass, so we packed it up. Yeah. And I'm really glad.
That's good that you didn't grenade it. Yeah. So what's the plan now? You getting that block built, or is that block done?
It's not done yet. I'm currently sourcing some parts to get something else put together for it. So just been trying to... Man, I took some of the factory wiring and stuff out of it and whatever, trying to just make it a little bit lighter and
drop some weight.
Neater. So that's kind of what I'm working on right now, with the switch paneling and stuff like that.
You got some cage work done, I think, by Garth over there, looks like.
He put a parachute mount in it for
me,
and a parachute mount. I wanted to get it tucked up in the bumper there, so they took care of that for me. So
yeah, the pictures look good there online.
Yeah.
So she's in progress. What about the stick shift car? What's going on with that? That's what everyone wants to know about. Stick shift car.
So that one's still kicking around too. So that one's same deal. I wanted to get it tuned. It went from just getting the car put together and on the road, and it started with EA5 carburetor, and that was pretty cool. I ran that for a little bit, but then wanted to go to EFI just because the whole EA5 deal, a little bit of chasing, trying to get around. So at the end of the season, it started to have a little bit of crankcase pressure. I pulled into my driveway one night, and I'm like, man, what's all that smoke? And, you know, it's like, wait a minute, is that coming from this thing? And sure enough, I thought, okay, we better pull that one out too. So I don't know.
You don't know about that one yet?
I'm not really sure yet, because after the first one came apart and it was broken, I was like, oh, you know, it kind of puts a stick in the spoke for the other stuff.
Yeah, priority.
That's kind of
this
like
girl,
my
yeah.
street car, and I want to get it fixed.
Oh yeah.
So we're working on something for that. We'll see
Lots of projects on the go, right?
So
yeah, it'd be nice to definitely get that stick car back out.
Yes, definitely.
Maybe we should do some drag and drive stuff with that. I want to do a sick week in January. So.
You think so?
Oh yeah, 100%. That's gonna be my goal for this year. Like that's my focus. Like even if I only got to cut back on racing, only do a few races this season, the focus is get the car ready for sick week in January. Yeah, 100%. That's my goal.
I'd like to try it.
It'd be a blast,
there's some renditions of that kind of going on around here-ish. That would definitely be a blast.
I think it'd be sick to get you linked up with that too. We're going down, get a few guys going or something.
Definitely do that in the stick shift car.
Yeah.
You know, it's family friendly.
Hell yeah.
Carry all the stuff.
That's sick.
Yeah.
Sweet. So I guess we'll, like I mentioned, Rick's gonna let me keep the hood here until we get some things situated and then get it moved over here. So Rick can help us out with getting her all fitted up and painted and mounted on the car. So we haven't even really taken a good look at it, honestly. We went to VFN down Chicago on Friday, picked that up, and we kind of just threw it in the truck and didn't really look at it very much. So I guess we'll just no, it's open. But we just kind of just grabbed it and didn't really pay much attention. So I guess we'll pull her in here and then show everyone, take a look at it, see how it looks. I guess, right?
Sounds good.
See what your opinion is on it, being the body guy, right?
For sure.
All right, let's go grab it.
All right.
All right. Well, there she is. Looking pretty decent. Like I said, never got a really good chance to look her over when we picked her up at VFN, but
looks fairly decent.
hey, I think it looks good, body man, or what?
I think so.
Yeah.
We'll have to put it on and fit it.
Yeah, I guess that'll be the big thing, is the
we'll
fitment.
fit it to the car first, and so if we got to do any trim, we'll get all that done.
Well, that's a nice thing with this deal is I paid for it full retail, so if it's shit fitment, we'll let them know.
I'm sure it should be okay.
Yeah, some people have said that they're decent for fitment, and some have said that they're a pain in the ass. One thing one guy did say is that he couldn't open his hood all the way.
Yeah.
Because of this hitting the windshield, so he actually just trimmed down the prop rod, I guess. But
again, if that's the issue,
if that's yeah,
we'll have to take a look at it and whatever you like, get it all.
Oh yeah. Sick. Well, looks good sitting here. I'm sure it'll look a lot better when it's on the car painted, but
Looks real good.
yeah, it's gonna look badass. But like I think I mentioned it, so this one's a bolt-on, it's not a pin-on, so it's a bit heavier than the pin-ons, but street car, I wanted to make sure that it was, easy for me to get underneath the hood when, you need to service things or check oil or do something. And then with the wipers too, especially with wanting to do drag and drive stuff, I figured good to have the wipers, right? So keep it legit, but that's, yeah, looks good. So yeah, we'll keep you posted with that. Again, Rick, appreciate you letting me keep it out here and taking care of me when we finally get the car here to get it all fitted and painted up. I think it's gonna look badass.
Sounds good.
I know I got the right guy on the job. That's sick. All right, thanks for the update in the car too. We'll keep everyone else posted too as time goes on here with the hood and with Rick's projects. So
Perfect.
right on, Rick. Thanks, buddy.
Not a problem.
All right, we're getting shit done. Next day here, headed out to Tyler's shop to get a pair of these wheels and tires mounted up, the street set up. So you guys are going to preview now of the new Keizers that we picked up from Houston. Just pulling up to the shop now, and we'll get these babies mounted up so we can get moving forward with getting the car ready. All right, we're out here with Tyler. Gonna get these wheels mounted up, so this is gonna be the first showing. Everyone's gonna get to see the new wheels and the new tires. Well, the street setup anyway, so let's pop her open. Ah, damn, still in the boxes. No. Grab the tires. There you go. It's got some Nittos. What are those Nittos? I think they're R's or some shit. NT 555 R2s. Went with those over the ET Street R's because I think those will be a bit better if we get caught in rain and shit, right? Sick week things.
Yeah.
Yeah. We hope. Yeah. There's lots of stickers that came with these, so you get some stickers too.
We need stickers. Stickers add horsepower.
Yeah. Yeah, they both came with, or they all came with big stickers and small stickers. So you're gonna get 2 of each. All right. Ready to peel off the Oh yeah, let's get it right. Get it right out. I'll let you peel the skirt off here. Oof. Look at that, eh? Oh yeah, I gotta take off the rim guard. He's tight, eh? There we go.
There we go.
How do they look in person? What do you think?
They look damn good.
They look damn good.
Yeah.
15 by 10s, single bead lock. Wanted to get double bead locks for the track, but with 7.5 back spacing, not allowed.
Doesn't fit.
Won't work. So we got singles. So the ones for the track are the same as these, 15 by 10, 7.5 back spacing. Verband, I think is the model of these ones, but yeah, pretty similar to my other wheels. 5-star midnight black, I think they call this. You can get these in polished and black and different barrels or different bead locks, but color wise, I guess you can go black or polished or aluminum, whatever you want to call it. But nice ARP hardware there too. So I think we can get these things mounted up or what?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's see if we can get this figured out. Got my instructions here, because we read instructions.
The destructions.
Destructions. 12 points to get these guys off. I don't know. I can't remember.
I thought you had them off already.
I did have them off, but I didn't mark down the size. There we go. Ring removed. Now time to slap this tire on.
We're making 2 right side tires, right?
No, right and the left. I'm setting the bead lock in this box. Oh, that was butter.
Wow.
Does it sit right in there too? No messing around? Jeez, that's simple.
Way easier than I thought this
I know.
was
I watched a couple of videos and they had to like pry the lip to get it to go around where the bead lock is, but this is sitting right in there right out the gate. Well, that makes life easy.
And you set the ring over.
Yeah. In there. Oh yeah. Oh, we need some anti-seize. That's it. Yeah. Get them all snugged up.
Slowly but surely.
All the proper torque procedures. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
100%. No messing around here. So we torqued it over 100 times.
Well over 100 times.
So should be good.
I think we're gonna need the bead blaster to get that on.
Oh yeah.
Can you step on that pedal there?
Which pedal?
The one around the corner there.
Step on it now. There we go. A little deaf, but there we are.
What'd you say?
That works pretty good.
Those look nice and wide.
Still a small tire, 275.
Yeah. Not used to tires this light.
Pretty light, eh?
We're not rotating it.
We're not.
To try and get it better. Hoping it would be a little closer than that.
Seems like every fucking wheel I have is all whacked up.
They're brand new wheels. They're not supposed to be.
Hey!
There we go.
All right, on to the second wheel. Tyler's got his fresh sticker on the toolbox there. Shout out to Houston KOTV. We'll get this one done and then we'll be all buttoned up for the street setup.
Yep.
All right, there we go. Street setup's all locked and loaded. Now on to the next steps. I don't know if that's going to be part of this video or not. Gotta get the car out to your place.
Yeah.
I get the car out to Tyler's place to get on to the next steps, which we'll tell you about once we get the car out there or what we're doing. I don't know, with the trailer or...
Yeah. We gotta
figure some things out. We'll keep you guys posted anyway, so it'll probably continue on from here because I don't want the video to be too short. We'll make it a bit longer. So we'll catch you guys when we get the trailer going, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, sound good? All right, cool. All right, guys, a bit of a change in plans here. I think I said earlier when I was back at Tyler's shop there getting the wheels done that we we're going to bring the enclosed trailer out there and get some hooks put in so I could strap the car in. That's going to get put on the back burner for now because I need to get this car out to Tyler's. Luckily enough, he's going to let us bring it out there and do some work on it. I think that's a little bit more important right now than getting that enclosed trailer all set up. We've got the open trailer in the backyard, so I'm going to pull that out, get this loaded up, bring it out to Tyler's, and I'll let you guys know once we get out there what we got to get up to with the car. Gonna give you guys a little bit of insight of big thing coming this year. If you look in the back, got this shitty carport that I've been dealing with for 8 years. So it's time to build a garage / shop in the backyard. So that's in process right now. Just putting some variances in with the city. Hopefully get a little bit more height and a little bit more size to accommodate everything, as well as be able to have a lift inside that shop. So that's in process right now. So I'm pretty sure by the end of the summer that there'll definitely be some sort of shop and garage in the backyard here, which would be nice to keep the car in there and be able to work on it, because working on it outside sucks, and then especially in the winter I can't get shit done here because it's freezing ice and I am not working in the driveway. So that's coming. The second big thing that I'm working on for this year, decided is sick week in January. So those are the two big things. I don't know how much racing we'll get to this season. We'll definitely be racing, but we'll probably have to cut it back a little bit because it's going to cost a lot to do sick week. And that's gonna be the priority, is getting the car ready for sick week and being there in January to do that. So about to do the first fire up on the car. So I'll bring you guys along for the cold start here. It is on pump gas, 94 octane, just put some fresh 94 in it. Should have no issues firing up. It's not on E, so hopefully everything fires up and we're good to go. We'll get the car loaded up and then we'll catch you when we get to Tyler's place. All right, let's see how this goes. Ooh, there it is. You're good? No video for you? I'm watching you. All right, we got the car out here at Tyler's. Got the axles all pulled out. We got bent wheel studs, so we're gonna have to address that. Gonna be bringing the axles out to Bear Performance hopefully this week in Windsor. It's got the 1/2-inch studs in them, which we ended up twisting up, so gonna swap it out to 5/8 studs, which will work with the new wheels, and then hopefully we won't end up with bent studs again in the future. So got it all ripped apart, got the axles out. That's probably gonna wrap up this video. Big shout out to Tyler over there. Cheers for letting me bring it out here and get this done, because yeah, I don't want to work outside. So real nice to Tyler for letting us work in the shop here and get that done. So hopefully we'll get this back together and then we'll show you on the next video. So go ahead, like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.